everyone, welcome to my channel, Skip Small Talk with Aliza. और आज मैं अपने चैनल में लेकर आई हूँ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट इरमा. हेलो इरमा.
Hey, thank you so much.
इरमा जो है, she is actually studying, she's a student right now and she's pursuing her career in fashion designing. She lives in Karachi और she's really doing well and she's working really hard, and I thought that it's really inspiring because मैंने नहीं देखा बहुत commonly कि लोग fashion designing को pursue कर रहे हैं, although I know there's a lot of people in that industry, लेकिन I don't think इतना ज़्यादा उसकी awareness है. So आज हम इरमा से बहुत सारी चीज़ें पूछेंगे. We will dive deep into the conversation to see कि वो सारे लड़के लड़कियाँ जो ये career pursue करना चाहते हैं, you know, what are the prerequisites and whether it is for them or not. So thank you so much, Irma.
First of all, thank you so very much for having me and for taking the initiative for this conversation, because I feel like we need to have a conversation about it. ये जो इस टाइप की जो क्रिएटिव फील्ड्स होती हैं, be it fashion or arts, especially in families which are very science oriented or very commerce oriented, you know, where there's no third way, we need to have these conversations right now, especially when everyone in the world is so ahead of this.
So let's start with the basics. Why fashion designing?
Yes, fashion designing, because this might sound quite paradoxical, to be honest, but ever since I started covering my head, so ever since I got into modesty and ever since I started practicing hijab, तो उसके बाद से I could not really find what is it that I would want to wear as a modest fashion person in the market, and I really wanted to bridge that gap, and I still am very passionate about it. And I just feel like there is a lot of scope in the modest fashion market here in Pakistan, because I see there's so many girls like me who are struggling to find pieces, who are struggling to find hijabs, and you know, all sorts of garments. वो hijab भी हो सकता है, tops भी हो सकते हैं, bottoms भी हो सकते हैं, you know, which you do not find in the market. And this does not necessarily have to be West oriented. I'm just not talking about your regular tops and your regular pants. I'm talking about hijab styling. I'm talking about ways in which you can carry your hijab at a shadi event, you know, as a bride. लोग कतराते हैं क्योंकि ये explore ही नहीं हुआ हुआ. You know, so this was my primary motivation. Primarily, this is why I wanted to get into it, and I wanted to do everything very properly. Not just कि बस काम करवाना शुरू कर दिया या बस कपड़े बनाना शुरू कर दिए. I wanted to know the basic of design. I wanted to know what goes into it, what's the theory, and how is it implemented practically.
So now that you have touched on hijab, my first question would be कि how many years has it been since you started your hijab?
It's been, alhamdulillah, 8 years now.
8 years, okay.
Yeah,
so do you feel that there's a difference in like the industry 8 years ago, जो आज जब आपने start किया था, in accessorizing your hijab or you know your clothing, your styling, as compared to now?
Right now, it adds to our benefit that oversized clothing is in trend.
Oh yeah.
Right? पहले वो इतना नहीं था, और and this is here to stay. We do not see people going back to fitted pants, you know. And having said that, the number of hijabis statistically have increased in the country. Teens से लेके early 20s तक में, ये जो young adults का जो एक age bracket है, इसमें we have seen a spike in girls who have started covering their head. So because of that, market trends have evolved and have started adapting to it. So most definitely the market is better than how it was in terms of modest fashion.
Important question here. So when you decided that you want to pursue your career in fashion designing, or you want to take that as your, you know, your education or whatever, were there any struggles?
Okay, so straight up, yes. My father was definitely not up for it. He told me that, you know, this is not something that you pursue, and he told me that this is something that can be carried on the side as well, you know. You want to be a designer, there's no harm in that, but there's no need to study design because who even studies design?
मतलब ये साइड बिजनेस है.
Yeah, हम आपको गराज में जो है अड्डा लगा देंगे, हम आपको बेसमेंट में आपका सेटअप करके देंगे, you get your कारीगर्स in, you get your labor in, and you get started with your work, you know. You don't need to study it, study what
So
you're
that's the
studying.
concept you think society
Yes,
में ऐसा था
so
कि
it took me a very long while to convince my dad that, you know, this is something that I actually want to do and I want to study it. But then from where he came, उनके लिए इस चीज़ को समझने में ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल था कि ये सीधी सीधी ट्रैक पर जा रही थी, इसे एकदम से क्या हो गया, you know, because it was a very sudden shift.
बच्ची खराब हो गई.
Well, honestly speaking, that's what his views were initially, and then he also, when I finally started my design degree, tabhi he was not very happy. He would just, because obviously it's so taxing and it's so hands-on, your design degree, so you're really busy. It's like
Expectation versus reality. So what were you expecting, and then when you stepped into this as a degree, as a proper form of formal education, was there like any shock for you? Ki, oh my God, I wasn't expecting this.
Yes. So as I was saying, because I was just so busy with it, so my dad, he started calling me a darzan. He's like, "Tum to darzan ban rahi ho," and you know what are you doing? So for the longest time, he had a hard time even accepting it. कि ये तो इतना serious भी नहीं है. Why is she giving it so much?
उनको लगा सिलाई कढ़ाई सीख रही है, मतलब ये क्या डिग्री है?
सिलाई कढ़ाई भी सीखी, ऊपर से because the amount of sheets that we carry is a lot. एक sheet का roll होता है, फिर plain sheets होती हैं, sheets पे crease ना आ जाए, ये ना हो जाए, बहुत protocol होता है इस degree में. So you just get really irritated, you know, that it's not even worth it. So but anyway, eventually he did come around. And because speaking of expectation versus reality, my dad probably thought that I would just be stitching garments, but then he saw me with so many sheets, staying up all night, putting up all-nighters, or 9 बजे class में पहुँचना है, 7 p.m. we're coming back home, अगली सुबह फिर class है, so he would just get mad कि, you know, just what is going on. But for me, so it's, the point being that it is a very hands-on degree, especially your formative years, especially your primary years. In this degree, first year and your half of second year, that's when they really push you through. That's when the curriculum is designed that way to really, really push you through, that if you're not even minutely serious about it, you should just leave. You know?
Okay. So it's not for like time passes.
नहीं.
Like आपको बहुत seriously रहना पड़ेगा, बहुत मेहनत है, बहुत struggle है. It's like a hands-on degree.
बिल्कुल, और curriculum design भी इसी तरीके से होता है कि जिनको छोड़ के जाना है वो चले ही जाएं, serious वाले ही टिकें, because pressure वो इतना देते हैं कि अगर किसी का ज़रा सा भी passion नहीं होगा, they might quit.
What about expenses? Like जैसे अब आपने कहा materials, you know, कपड़ा, थान, you know, rolls and everything. So ये सब आपको अपने expense पे लेना पड़ता है?
Yes. So initially, what I was expecting was that I would be admitted into this design degree and I would be studying majorly about garments.
Okay.
Right? Garment construction and different styles, because there's so much depth to it. Color theory, trends, how do things come together. But my first year was the only year where I had that expectation versus reality wala jhatka, where they took us from the scratch. उन्होंने हमें line बनाना सिखाई, you know. That's where they took us from कि एक sheet पे आप बैठ के line बनाएंगे so that your line quality improves, which would lead to an improved sketching and then improved rendering and then an improved illustration, so that your hand.
So do you need to have like a good drawing, like artistry type of skills?
They teach you everything. They teach you everything.
What if my drawing is really bad?
No, they will take care of it. They will give you such rigorous practices and such rigorous run-throughs कि, you know, if you are willing to work, you would be really good with it.
Okay.
You know, इसमें ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि okay, it's an added on benefit कि अगर आपकी पहले से अच्छी है, that's an added on benefit.
So you will benefit if अगर आपकी drawing
अगर अच्छी है,
if you have good sketching skills.
Yes, but it's just that ये fine arts की degree नहीं है, या ये कोई painting की degree नहीं है, you know, ये अल्टीमेटली एक फैशन डिज़ाइन की डिग्री है, तो इसमें आपकी स्केचिंग और ड्राइंग पे लोड थोड़ा कम होता है। जैसे कि एक फाइन आर्ट्स की जो डिग्री है उसमें यू नीड टू हैव रियली गुड स्केचिंग स्किल्स, यू नीड टू हैव great control over all mediums, be it paint, be it any kind of paint, sketching, regular pencils, whatever. You need to have a really good command over it. And if you're not good at it, do not go for those degrees. But fashion design, agar aapka interest है and if you're willing to learn, they would teach you and they would take care of you. And this is where a lot of expenses come in, because you need to purchase your paints, you need to purchase your sheets, you need to purchase the series of pencils. एक pencil नहीं होती, बहुत सारे type के pencils होते हैं, बहुत सारे type के brushes होते हैं, बहुत सारे type की sheets होती हैं, you know, हर medium के लिए एक specific sheet होती है, क्योंकि जब बच्चे को सिखा रहे होते हैं तो आप उन्हें different चीज़ें बाकायदा introduce कराते हैं, mediums introduce कराते हैं. So yes, there is, it is an expensive degree.
Cost wise it's an expensive degree. तो आप सिर्फ ये नहीं सोचेंगे university की fee है उसके ऊपर, like there's a lot more expense, like you will be spending a lot on it.
Yes.
Okay. So in terms of like you know, do you feel that there's a lot of demand for this degree? Like once you complete this degree, there's like jobs awaiting, career opportunities कैसी हैं? Because now you're towards the end of it.
Yeah.
So I'm sure that you have a lot more like exposure to the market. So any advice कि क्या is it worth coming into this?
Okay, so if you are passionate about it, if you are really into it, it is 100% worth it. If you really want to make use of your degree, it is 100% worth it. There's a lot of potential in the market. People are always looking for fresher minds, newer hires, you know. Obviously अगर आप job circle में जा रहे हैं तो आपको नीचे से ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. इट विल टेक सम टाइम. आप यू नो you'll have to put in your years. सैलरी फ़ौरन से आपको कोई लाखों की नहीं मिल जाएगी. You know, you'll have to put in your time, but people are waiting for fashion designers to come in. They wait for fresher batches, they wait for newer people, newer minds, because design is something कि हर एक का अलग है, you know, and everybody wants something new, कि ये fresh, कि ये ज़बरदस्त.
Can you name a few like kind of jobs?
Yes, sure, why not? So जब आप एक fashion design की डिग्री consider it as a BBA. राइट जब आप BBA करते हैं तो आपके पास मार्केटिंग के ऑप्शंस खुल जाते हैं, आपके पास फाइनेंस के ऑप्शंस खुल जाते हैं, आपके पास बिजनेस के ऑप्शंस खुल जाते हैं. आपको एनालिसिस में जाना है, एनालिस्ट बनना है, यू वांट टू डू योर मास्टर्स, यू वांट टू डू योर MBA. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ different options that open up for you. Similarly, design is a general degree जिसमें वो आपको सब सिखाते हैं. You know, आप टेक्सटाइल में जा सकते हैं where you're designing textiles. आप illustration में जा सकते हैं where you're designing illustrations. आप बाकायदा जो हमारे bridal studios होते हैं वहाँ पे उनको चाहिए होते हैं people who can illustrate, who can design, who can put things together. You know. You can always go into teaching if you really want to. इसका भी बहुत scope है. You can always start your own business, and because they skill you so much, like your skill set expands so much कि आप you will be guiding the tailor master साहब कि नहीं master साहब ये ऐसे नहीं होगा, ऐसे होगा. सही है. जो sense of design, जो understanding of color, जो हम कुछ पढ़ के आए हुए होते हैं, हमारे vision और नज़र एक मैंगो मैन की नज़र से बहुत अलग होता है. We see how it was made. They train us so much कि we can even find out flaws. You know, trust me, I go to Khadi with my sister and I'm just telling her how flawed one of the prints is. कि मतलब ये नहीं ये सही नहीं हो रहा, ये body proportion के हिसाब से नहीं है. You know, इतना बड़ा फूल अगर यहाँ पे ऊपर on your bust, so it's just gonna make you look wider, or at a weird part around your crotch, it's wrong placement. Don't wear it. We know what suits what body type. We know इसके color किस तरह होते हैं. So आप डिज़ाइनर बन सकते हैं, आप टेक्सटाइल डिज़ाइनर बन सकते हैं, आप डिजिटल डिज़ाइनर बन सकते हैं.
So basically there's a lot opportunities, like बहुत सारी, and then it depends कि आप जैसे आपने कहा कि स्पेशलाइज कर सकते हैं किसी एक चीज़ को पकड़ के कि नहीं मुझे एक्चुअली डिज़ाइंस बनाने का, इलस्ट्रेशंस करने का शौक है, तो जैसे ड्राइंग्स बना के आप कंपनीज को देंगे कि भाई ऐसा डिज़ाइन है, ऐसा डिज़ाइन.
और फ्रीलांस वर्ल्ड में तो बहुत स्कोप है, बहुत स्कोप है. Yes, because obviously when first world countries outsource because of the economic difference, we get paid well, but they also admire quality of work. सही है, बिकॉज हम उतना ही काम कर रहे हैं, बराबर का ही काम करें, बिकॉज स्किल तो स्किल है. मुझे भी फोटोशॉप यूज़ करना आता है, आपको भी फोटोशॉप यूज़ करना आता है. इट्स जस्ट दैट व्हेन यू आर आउटसोर्सिंग इट फ्रॉम अ चीपर, बट दे ऑल्सो अप्रिशिएट यू अ लॉट एंड दे आर विलिंग टू टेक अप take you in on the team, and you know, so freelance world में online opportunities भी बहुत हैं. It's this whole world out there, and when you learn design, you can go anywhere. You can be a visual designer, you can be a textile designer, you can be a garment designer. आप social media management में जाके you can curate feeds, you can design feeds, you know, you can design websites. Depends on how you take up to it. Once you have learned design, it can be implemented countlessly.
So ये तो मुझे endless opportunities लगी हैं,
बिल्कुल,
because
बिल्कुल.
अगर I'm not like saying कि दूसरी degrees worth नहीं होती हैं, apart from of course medicine is another league, but I'm just thinking कि इसमें आपको सीखने को बहुत मिलेगा जो आप बगैर डिग्री के सीख नहीं सकते. For example, कुछ लोग naturally बहुत business minded होते हैं, marketing के हिसाब से अच्छे होते हैं, they can do a few courses and they can be really good at this. लेकिन ये वाली जो field है इसमें अगर आपने डिग्री कर ली तो you have a lot more specialized skills than the others. I think आप skilled labor की category में आ जाओगे.
Okay.
Because आम इंसान को तो नहीं आता होगा ना ये सब कुछ. Like मुझे तो नहीं आता. Like I wouldn't be able to do all that designing if I haven't learned it. Okay.
Somebody who is interested, they can definitely YouTube their way through it and expand their skill set.
अच्छा.
However, जब आप एक डिग्री करते हैं तो जिस हिसाब से आपको एक प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस्ड इंस्ट्रक्टर ट्रेन करता है, वो आपको एक यूट्यूबर नहीं कर सकता.
Hands-on exposure होता है ना
Hands on,
आपका.
it is the opportunities that open, you network, you meet new people, your CV gets pushed आगे पीछे, people recognize you. When they see you working, instructors are always observing you. कि कौन किस तरह का काम कर रहा है, किसका work ethic कैसा है. They're already picking and choosing कि who is it that they want to work with. This is something that happens. You know, instructors, design instructors, they know really well. They can read through you and they can understand कि किस type का बच्चा किस type का काम निकाल सकता है. They start recognizing your own aesthetic. So that is how it helps. However, if anyone is there who wishes to expand their skill set, for example, learning Photoshop, digital rendering, or anything around design, they can definitely YouTube it. But the only thing that gives a degree an edge is the instructor present and their experience and how you're connected.
I think I can understand what you're trying to say. So basically अगर आप freelancing करने जा रहे हो तो आप अपने काम के through जो है लोगों को attract करोगे, like employers को, या काम attract करोगे, jobs attract करोगे. तो in that case, if you don't have a degree but you're doing your job really well, आप self-taught हो, self-learning है आपकी, तो I think you can do well and you can progress.
You can,
लेकिन if
definitely.
you're looking for like a job properly, आप किसी कंपनी में एज एन एम्प्लॉय जाना चाहते हो तो it would be hard for you to showcase your work.
Because you need to have a portfolio, and your portfolio is something that you develop over a course of this 4-year degree, and then you put your best work in it, and then you present
In
it.
that case आपकी डिग्री काम आएगी.
Yes.
Because अगर आप प्रोफेशनल जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई करना चाह रहे हो,
Yes.
मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में जाना चाह रहे हो, इंटरनेशनली जाना चाह रहे हो,
Yes.
that's when the degree helps
Yes.
really.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, you can have different career paths, just like in any career, I would say.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's different diversions.
Okay. Is there any like tips you would want to give to people planning about this कि मतलब how to prepare for admissions in universities, कोई prerequisites हैं, कोई ऐसे subjects that they should prioritize over the others when they're doing their like A levels or inter जैसे कर रहे होते हैं, intermediate में.
Yeah. Okay. So when I decided to pursue this degree, when I decided to pursue design, I was a pre-engineering student.
Okay.
Yes. So I did not take any admission classes for that, even though मैंने अपनी ECAT के लिए, which is your engineering exam, उसके लिए मैंने बहुत classes ली थी, and इसी तरह की arts की भी classes होती हैं where they further refine your drawing, where they further refine your sketching, and where they further teach you how to enhance your skill. इस तरह की classes हो रही होती हैं for like well-known institutions जैसे कि कराची में there's IVS, there's AIFD. There's other places offering external degrees. Lahore की side there is PIFD, there is NCA. तो जब पंजाब की side I feel like competition बहुत ज़्यादा tough है. सिंध में relatively competition कम है, but पंजाब की side, लाहौर की side, when you're competing for an admission test, so I would suggest कि आप अगर ले लें एक आध classes, so that would
There's
give
more
you
people applying for it.
Yes, and you would also see कि आगे पीछे लोग कितना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. You would have a clear idea कि ये सब बच्चे मेरे साथ apply कर रहे हैं, and this is their skill and this is where I'm standing. So you would have an idea कि किस तरीके से इसको pick up करना है for better chances.
Is there any like university you feel is the top right now in this field कि जो लोग apply कर रहे हैं they can
I
or
am
top 2 or
personally
3?
okay, so पाकिस्तान में हैं ही 2 ही 3
अच्छा
ठीक है तो कराची में there's IVS, there's AIFD, there's TMUC offering multiple external degrees, then Lahore की side पे there's PIFD, Pakistan Institute of Fashion Design, and there's NCA. I'm not sure if NCA is offering fashion design as of yet, but NCA is another arts की university, the oldest,
अच्छा.
the most prestigious
Okay.
is NCA, the most prestigious and the oldest university, that's NCA. So and I'm also really impressed by all the work that I see happening around at PIFD. अब उन्होंने jewelry designing के भी courses start कर दिए हैं and वो भी बहुत अच्छे जा रहे हैं. So
Oh, nice.
yeah, and people are actually pursuing it, you know, it's an actual thing. आज से 20 साल पहले कोई बोलता कि हम jewelry design में bachelor कर रहे हैं, so they'd be like, what are you saying, you know?
Yeah.
So जो भी हमारे institutes हैं, they're all well reputed institutes and they're producing really good talent, and competition अब बहुत बढ़ गया है, सब बच्चे बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, and yeah, that's pretty much about it.
I think as a summary, the first thing would be कि if you really are passionate about this field,
Yes.
that's the only reason why you should be getting an
Yes.
admission. Like ये नहीं सोचें कि okay ये बहुत चल रहा है आजकल या इसमें मैं जाके बहुत पैसा कमा लूँगा, लेकिन अगर interest नहीं है so you won't survive, because when something is really hard to do, you need to have interest
You
in it.
simply won't survive because your instructors will break you to make you.
Okay.
They will break you. You will cry your nights. You will cry you will. You need to understand that your instructors will break you, and वो आपका काम reject होगा, क्योंकि जब काम जैसे कि आम एग्जाम में क्या होता है, फेल होगा, अरे यार हमने ही नहीं पढ़ा था, you know, 2+2 का आंसर तो 4 है, हमने 3 लिख दिया, अब किसकी ही गलती है, लेकिन एक काम आपने दिन रात लगा के बनाया, अगला बोल दे रिजेक्ट, you know, you get it? बहुत दिल जगह चाहिए to absorb it, to accept constructive criticism and to work on it and to enhance it. So अगर आप कमज़ोर दिल के हैं या अगर आपको मेहनत नहीं करनी है तो आप शायद इसको consider ना करें. If you're really willing, really passionate and you really want to make a mark in the industry and take the actual proper way, take the actual proper path, then this is definitely for you.
Okay, no, that sounds really good. Because बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं ना जो वो इंटरमीडिएट में आते हैं या लेवल्स कंप्लीट करते हैं एंड दे डोंट वांट टू बी अ डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर, फिर वो कहते हैं यार अच्छा फिर तो बिजनेस ही बचा है. तो आई थिंक के दिस इज़ अ रियली गुड फील्ड फॉर दोज पीपल जिनको नहीं करना और कुछ बट क्रिएटिव हैं, इंटरेस्ट है. But again, as you said, like you have to be really serious about it. ये सिर्फ पढ़ने के लिए नहीं है कि बस just
you just want to escape math.
Yeah.
You just want to escape medicine. तो अरे यार ये fashion design नहीं, it's not easy. It's as hands-on as medicine. Because medicine में तो at least you know कि आपके पास क्या पढ़ना है. एक course list है, भाई रात लगा के course complete कर लो. यहाँ पे you need to make everything.
Creativity
You have to
बहुत
produce
ज़्यादा.
everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some people are not creative by nature. तो वो बहुत struggle करेंगे, like myself.
Well, I think you're very creative. Honestly.
No, I mean, I don't think I'm good at fine arts or drawings or creativity. Maybe I won't be able to. Like, I think it's just कि बस हम बचपन से ही like हमारे tradition में, culture में कपड़े सिलवाना, design करना, दर्जी को देना, तो आप थोड़ी बहुत naturally creativity सीख लेते हो. But I think उससे ज़्यादा फिर there's a struggle. You know, if you ask me to design your clothes, I can't.
And also जब आप एक proper route से जब आप design पढ़ के जब आप एक designer पढ़ते हैं और एक बंदा जो बस कारीगर से जाके काम करा के Pinterest वाला डिज़ाइनर बन जाता है, ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क होता है. You can tell कि you can very clearly tell कि किसने छापा काम किया है और कौन सा काम बाकायदा बना है, you know. Because जब हम 4 साल पढ़ रहे होते हैं तो हमें ये समझ बहुत clearly आ जाती है. Which is why जो designers हैं वो बनते हैं फिर बड़े नाम. They become big names, you know. So that's the reason, because they have gone into the depth of it.
Is there any designer who's your inspiration? Is there any like big brand you would want to work for? You like, yeah, I would want to work.
Oh,
for
I
this
really
brand.
want to work for Sania Muscatia.
Sania Muscatia.
Yeah,
Okay.
I really like Sania Muscatia, and I had a lot of love in my heart for Generation.
Generation. Oh, I love Generation.
But it is sadly a had. because I am not really happy with how the brand has evolved and where it's standing right
But
now.
I still love their Western kind of, जो उनके
Fusion
fusion कपड़े
वाले.
होते हैं, because I literally bought one like 2 days ago and I loved it.
Also, Ethnic ने बहुत अच्छा बहुत जल्दी pick किया. I really wish they also work on their quality, but the kind of designs that they're coming up with,
I
really
think
good
their
designs.
formals are also very attractive. Like you don't find those kind of formals in other brands, so that's like one of their USPs. I mean, if you have an urgent function and you just want to buy a formal for like wedding wear, you can get it from there.
Most definitely. It's just that उनकी quality का थोड़ा हो गया, but Ethnic, mass producers में I think Ethnic and designers में सानिया मस्कती, I really like her work.
You really like admire. Okay, you would want to work.
I
for
would
them.
definitely want to work with Sania Muskatia because I also know about their practices with their labor. So I know that they're very ethical, they're very mindful about their labor
okay,
force.
that's good to know. So yeah, that is also very important because you know हर designer ethical नहीं होता.
भी ट्रीट होते हुए देखा है, बुरे भी ट्रीट होते हुए देखा है, एम्प्लॉय के साथ बिहेवियर भी अच्छा भी देखा है, बुरा भी देखा है. So I would really want to work with someone who is really mindful about their labor because आपकी you are what your labor is. If your labor is happy and fed and they're going to give you good work and they would respect you.
I think it's also because आपकी creative field है, ठीक है, तो आपके जो laborers आप hire कर रहे हैं, they have to be creative. इंसान creative तभी होता है जब वो खुश होता है, या वो you know उसको लगे कि you know उसको वो satisfaction मिल रही है काम करके. तो if you don't give people that respect or if you don't value their work enough, तो वो creativity तो फिर बाहर में जाएगी.
क्योंकि लेबर बाकायदा सारा हाथ का किसी का काम, किसी के आवर्स, किसी की मेहनत. तो वैसे तो हम लेबर्स को अपने लिए टूल ही की तरह यूज़ करते हैं कि हम उन्हें बता रहे हैं छापा दिए एग्जैक्ट ऐसा ऐसा विजन हमारा होता है, हाथ उनके होते हैं. पर मुझे लगता है उसकी भी बहुत इज्जत करनी चाहिए क्योंकि दे आर वर्किंग फॉर यू. कोई फिजिकली बैठ के हाथ से काम कर रहे हैं. येस दे आर पेड, येस देयर इज़ अ वेज, बट दे डिजर्व अ लॉट रिस्पेक्ट.
I think everybody, you know, किसी भी profession में आप किसी भी level पे काम कर रहे हो, you need to respect other human beings generally. तो मतलब कोई किसी भी उस पे हो, but yeah, no, I understand that, you know, it's really hard work involved in like, you know, embroideries and designs and handworks जो हम सारा देख रहे होते हैं. तो but no, it was really interesting, Irma. Thank you so much. Or Irma has a page on Instagram as well. It's called Yours Modestly XO. I'm gonna put it in the description below. So if you wanna follow her, या अगर कोई ऐसी लड़कियां हैं या कोई ऐसे students हैं who are thinking to pursue this degree, and if you have any questions, I think Irma would be more than happy to give you any kind of help. She's generally a very helpful person. She's very caring and she's nice. I'm gonna put your handle as well. So if anybody wants to contact you,
just feel free to connect with me. I have this public space. Whoever, if you have any questions, if there's any way I can be of help, of assistance to you, you're more than welcome.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and thank you everybody for watching. See you again soon.
Bye.